How to fix your posture in 5 moves. Sit up straight. Stop slouching. Get your feet off the table. If those are familiar words constantly coming your way, then you, my friend, must be a sloucher. While it may not seem like a big deal now, that bad posture will catch up with you sooner than you think, causing you major health problems later on. Before you learn some ways to stop slouching once and for all, be sure to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join us on the bright side. Now, correcting bad posture often feels like kicking a bad habit, and that's pretty much the case. If you have bad posture today, chances are you've been slouching that way for most of your life. What's really concerning is that this is an ever-growing problem in today's digital age. We're all constantly hunched over our phone, computer, and tablet, glued to the screen. While there are many things that cause us to have bad posture, reversing its seemingly permanent effects can be quite challenging. But that doesn't mean it's impossible. Before you learn about all the ways to correct your slouching, you should first assess your personal situation. Get up from your chair and find a mirror. Yeah, you, get up. We're all waiting. Okay, now, face the mirror head on. Wow, looking good. Is that a new haircut? Oh, okay, back to your posture. Look at your reflection and note how your arms hang down by your sides. If you see that your palms are turned inward facing your legs and your thumbs point towards the mirror, congrats! You've got good posture. However, if you see that your palms are facing back with your thumbs flat against your legs, it may be time to figure out how to improve your stance. Take a deep breath in, push your chest out, and roll your shoulders back. Feels good, right? This is the kind of posture you should be aiming for. Okay, so you know your posture could use some improvement. Now let's see what steps you can take to break this bad slouching habit. Number 1. Improve your flexibility. Just like any other part of your body, your back and shoulders depend on your muscles to hold them up so that they can function properly. A major cause of your slouching is the fact that you're constantly hunched over a desk all day and never take the time to develop the muscles that support a strong upper back and shoulders. It's easy for your shoulders and back to become stiff because they never really move around. Go ahead and stand up. You know the drill by now. Now, place both hands, palms out and arms bent, behind your back. Take one hand and hold on to your opposite waist. Gently stretch and pull your shoulder blades together. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds and release. Repeat this stretch 5 to 10 times every day, and you'll start feeling the tension in your upper back and shoulders loosening over time. Another great one is to try the wall stretch. This exercise is super easy and really helps with shoulder extension and getting rid of stiffness from slouching. Find a wall. Put both arms up over your head with your hands flat on the wall. Now lean your body in. Do a regular squat while pushing gently against the wall. Come back up. If you do about 5 of these every day, your shoulder stiffness will improve. Number 2. Strengthen your core. Just like how improving your flexibility helps your posture, so does strengthening your core muscles. Strong core muscles are essential for back health. If you have lower back problems, core exercises can do wonders. And when your core is strong, you can support your upper body more easily, which means you're less likely to slouch. Things like Pilates, yoga, and good old floor exercises can help strengthen these muscles. Number 3. Align your spine at night. Believe it or not, the way you sleep can also affect how you sit and stand when you're awake. No, this doesn't mean you have to work out in your sleep. You just need to start paying attention to your alignment as you lie in bed. One simple way to keep your spine straight is to put a firm pillow between your knees when you're lying on your side. This takes the extra pressure off your spine that comes from bending in harsh ways. Number 4. Adjust your wardrobe. Wear heels to work every day? I know I do. While you probably look great, your fashionable footwear could be wreaking havoc on your posture. Wearing high heels forces you to lean your body forward, which can, in turn, cause you to hunch over. If you can, try not to wear heels over 3 inches and opt for flats when it's possible. Along with footwear, book bags, purses, and other things you carry all day can really take a toll on your posture. Carrying a heavy bag every day can permanently ruin your shoulders, forcing you to roll them forward from all the weight. Try switching to a bag with a strap that you can wear across your body, or at least empty out your tote so that it'll be as light as possible. Number 5. Adjust your workspace. Most people spend the majority of their time hunched over a desk, rarely getting up at all throughout the day. Well, we have to go to school or work, and both of those places typically require a lot of sitting. Countless studies have proven that this sedentary lifestyle is so bad for your health. Since you can't up and quit your job tomorrow, there are little adjustments you can make to take the stress off your back and shoulders. Stand-up desks are becoming more and more common in the workplace. There are even adjustable ones, so that you can switch from sitting to standing and vice versa. Another thing you can do at work is to get up more often and walk around a bit. Even if it's just for 5 minutes at a time, taking a quick walk outside can really help you when it comes to keeping good posture. Plus, getting some fresh air for a change is great for your productivity as well. Sticking to these daily habits can be tricky, but if you keep with it, you'll see an improvement in your posture and your overall health. That's right, bad posture actually affects tons of aspects of your life. According to the UK's National Health Service, bad posture can cause permanent damage in your neck, upper and lower back, as well as your muscles. You can experience pain, trouble standing for long periods of time, frequent headaches, and even breathing problems. Because your upper body is hunched forward, it puts pressure on your lungs and diaphragm. Not to mention, a hunched back can actually disrupt your gastrointestinal system, causing acid reflux and indigestion. And because you can't take deep breaths with all that pressure on your lungs, the lack of oxygen can leave you feeling super sleepy and lethargic. Aside from the physical effects slouching has on your body, it can actually dictate how your social life is going. When a person slouches, they appear to be shy and antisocial. That's because when you stand up straight with your chest out and your shoulders back, you appear more self-confident. Yeah, like this. Who knows? Your bad posture could be keeping you from meeting some great people out there. Next time you're walking down the street or hanging out at a party, try to be conscious of how you're standing and see if the social environment around you changes at all. You'll be pleasantly surprised. Now, assuming you're watching this video from a computer or phone screen, take a moment and check how you're sitting. Are you hunched over? Do your shoulders feel tense? Before you click on another great Brightside video, take a quick break. Take some time to stretch out that back of yours. Sit forward in your chair and pull your shoulders back. Try to keep this stance the whole time as you watch the next video. Well, what do you know? Things are feeling better already. So, do you feel the painful effects of bad posture? Let us know what you plan on doing about it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe to stay on the bright side of life.